It rained last night. Oh yeah. All right, Roxy, let's go. Let's go into the wild blue yonder. I know, let's go. Let's go. She's like, please don't take me out there. Come on. You know the drill. She's like, don't take me out there, just feed me. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Oh, it smells so good out here. Even her nose is going crazy. So beautiful. You ready to go back? You ready to go back? No more dust. Nice. No more dust, huh? Yeah. No more dust. Good girl. Good girl. She'll run a little bit. Oh yeah, stretch those little leggies. Hop along. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. You're gonna catch up with me. Come on. She's like, it's a little bumpy, Mama. And there's a lot of smells. That's a lot of smells, huh? Oh, that creosote smells so good. Oh, come on. I'll feed you. You don't have to dig for dirt. Hey. 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 You don't have to dig for dirt. I'll feed you. Oh, there's a little piece of dog food in between the rocks. See, she finds stuff. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'll feed you. I'll feed you. She got it. I know. Come on. Come on, little hound dog. Come on, little hound dog. Come on. You would never starve to death. Huh? You would never get hungry out here. You'd find your little scavenger. Come on. Oh, it smells so good. I know. She agrees. Come on, baby. Tires are looking good. There's no air that's escaping. We're good there. Other than the coupling, you know. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. You made it. You made it. She's like, you're coming, right? You're coming, right? Yes, Roxy, I'm coming. I'm coming. Watch, she always bumps her head because she leans to one side. So she goes, when she turns, she bumps her head where my shoes are. Okay, okay. Don't get too excited. I don't want you to hurt yourself. I know, I know. Oh, good, good, good. What a nice view to just sit here and enjoy my hot coffee and listen to the rain on the roof. Very nice. We're on the road again. It's supposed to be nice the next few days, so I haven't decided if we're gonna head towards California or Parker. I need to get some groceries. I'm completely out of milk, so that is number one priority, and I'm out of a lot of stuff. I gotta dump my trash. I'm almost out of water, which means I'm gonna have to dump my tank soon. But California, the weather's not as nice and it's windy that way, so I think we're probably gonna head towards Parker. We'll see. We'll see when we get there, when we get on the main road. Right, Roxy? You ready to go for a ride? Let's go. Look at her ears, they're back. She's like, she's paying attention. She's like, let's do it, Mama. You can see the evidence of the rain. A little bit of water, but this will dry up by this afternoon. It'll be completely soaked up. That's the desert for you. Just give it a day. Especially it's going to be in the 70s the next few days. Well, Parker was even showing 80. So that's interesting. All right, on to our next destination. Gotta watch these little bumps. My struts can't take it. This reminds me of like September, October. You know, people are here, but it's not jam-packed. I mean, it looks busy over here, but not like normal. I would say September, October is my favorite time. How was that? Did you get your running around and your dog quota and your grass quota? Well, not so much grass, but mud quota, water quota, other dog quota. Where are we heading next, Roxy? We went to Safeway, got groceries. Now we're gonna go get gas. We did laundry. I think we're good. Look at those nasty clouds. So this is a hospital here. I never knew. So if you need to go to the hospital, you just come over here to Parker and there's La Paz Regional Hospital. We're at the park. There's grass. You want some grass? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You have it all to yourself, Roxy. All that grass. You lost? She wants to do her own thing. There she goes. It's nice coming to this park because we have it to ourselves. We can do some grounding. Clouds look like hail clouds, but I don't think it's gonna hail. What the hell? The sun's breaking through over there. Why are you going this way? This is not the way. Look how beautiful. Come on, come on. Good girl. There you go. Let's go uphill. There you go. There's nothing down there except for possibly coyotes. Don't want to go that way. Wow. I can't believe she's out here on a sunset walk. Whew. I can feel that temperature drop. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Let's not step in the little devils. Can we go around them? There you go. There you go. Don't fall in the hole. Whew. That is gorgeous. Man on the run. Man on the run. Okay, baby girl.